Hey guys, welcome to Tech Therapy. Today I've ordered 50 to 250 Canon lens from noon.com. So anyone who lives in Middle East, I definitely recommend you to check this site out. As soon as you open the box, you get a Shukran card, which means thank you. It's written both in Arabic and in English. Inside Shukran card, you get your order details. Moving ahead to our unboxing, you get some plastic bags filled with air. And then comes our Canon 50 to 250 lens. They've wrapped the box quite well with plastic pop, so a huge shout out to noon.com for wrapping the box so tight that it's difficult to open. I somehow managed to open the box. So this is our 55 to 250 Canon lens with f4 to 5.6. It has even got image stabilization. Moving ahead to open the box, we get our lens packed into the plastic cover. Let's just remove it and bring our lens out. So this is our 50 to 250 lens. I'll show you guys how it looks when this lens is completely zoomed in. So this is how it looks when you completely zoom in this lens. So guys, this was it, and if you need detailed comparison between kit lens and prime lens, stay tuned.